In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a bar chart in Microsoft Excel that has bars which will change color based on a condition that you give it. So to show you how to do this, first you want to have it to where your data that you want to initially make your graph based on is on the left of the categories. And then to the right, you're going to want to have two columns, one that represents each color that you could potentially have in your graph. So for example, I want to have blue and green. But note these don't have to be colors per se. These could be whatever condition that you want. I'm just using colors just for illustrative purposes. And then here, we're going to want to have a column that we base our conditions on over here. So, for example, I'm going to type in green, blue, / green. And here, below, we're going to type in our conditions that I'm going to use to fill in these columns over here. So, for example, I'm going to fill in everything with blue, except for store D, which is going to be green. And here, we're going to say if our condition equals blue, we want to grab this value. But if it's not blue, we want to leave it blank. And same logic in the green column, but kind of flips a little bit. So we want to say if our criteria is green, you grab this data. But if not, we want to leave it blank. You get this when we copy paste it down. And this is ultimately what we're going to make our graph based on. So now to enter the bar chart, we're going to want to highlight this data, go to the Insert tab, and then click on Recommended Charts. From here, we're going to want to click on All Charts, and right here, the column paired for the top, we're going to want to click on a clustered column chart right here. Now, we're not done yet. So as you can see, there are two different colors on here, but everything looks a little bit off-centered. That's because we need to overlay these two series. So we're going to want to right-click on the data series, and then click on at the bottom, Format Data Series. And then we're going to click on these three bars on the left when this little box pops up. We're going to want to click on or adjust these series overlap. So we want these two series to be fully overlapped. And as you can see, now everything looks centered. And we want to do a bit of formatting, so we can change the color by right-clicking on the little box for the legend and clicking on fill, making it green. And now, as you can see, just like that, whenever you change a condition, the colors of the bars change. Well, this is very helpful too, because you can have this be automatic to do whatever you wanted to do. So for example, let's just say we wanted the store with the most sales to be highlighted in green, right? So to do that, we can get rid of this right here. And we can say equals, so if this value equals the max of this range, then grab this value, right? But if not, we want to leave blank. Then you can say equals if this is less than the max of these values, then grab this number. But if it is a max, then leave it blank. And now we're going to want to make sure that we lock everything down so that we can copy paste it by using the F4 key, putting $signs around the range that we just don't want to move as we copy paste things down. There we go. Copy paste this down, and as you can see, because D is the largest value, that gets highlighted in green. Let's just say store B had $5,000, $5,500 in sales, right? Now all of a sudden store B is the max, and that automatically changes to green because that's the store with the most sales. And it's extremely helpful too, because if you're making like a visual reporting, for example, and you want to always highlight the largest column chart, column in your column chart, then you can do that automatically with this trick. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.